2022 Chrysler 300. With less than 18,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Experience the difference.